Good evening, everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Groww user claims fraud, says money debited but not invested, false folio created. Apple and Meta discuss AI partnership. Realme C61 design, specifications and price leaks. Tesla makes Musk best paid CEO of all time and Fisker bites the dust. Meta makes AI chatbot available to all users in India. Spotify's $10.99 basic plan drops the audiobooks. Your next smartphone can come pre-installed with India's own Indus Appstore and more. A Groww user, Hanendra Pratap Singh, has alleged a serious issue with the Groww investment platform. Singh claimed that the Groww app deducted money from his account without actually investing it into the specified mutual fund scheme. He further alleged that Groww generated a false folio number, which did not exist. Groww clarified the situation by stating that they have refunded the money to Singh's account in good faith. They have requested Singh to provide his bank statement showing the debit at the time of the supposed investment to resolve the issue fully. Singh mentioned that Groww deleted the false folio from his user dashboard as part of resolving the issue. A Groww spokesperson did not immediately respond to requests for further comment and clarification when approached by IT Voice. Apple and Meta platforms are in discussions to integrate generative AI technology, aiming to enhance AI capabilities across Apple's devices. Meta is considering integrating its generative AI model into Apple's recently announced AI system for iPhones. Apple plans to incorporate technology from various AI companies, including potential partnerships with Alphabet's Google. AI startup Anthropic is in talks with Apple to bring its generative AI to Apple Intelligence. Perplexity, an AI search startup, is also in discussions with Apple about integrating its technology. These partnerships aim to distribute AI products more widely through Apple's ecosystem. Talks include AI companies potentially selling premium subscriptions to their services through Apple Intelligence. Discussions are ongoing and have not yet been finalized. Apple, Meta, and Anthropic have not responded to requests for comment outside business hours. Realme's upcoming budget smartphone, the C61, has had its design, specifications, and pricing leaked. The Realme C61 features a rear camera island similar to the iPhone 15. Color options for India include marble black and safari green, while international market might see dark green and dark black. The phone is expected to have an HD plus resolution of 1600 into 720 pixels with a pixel density of 320 dpi, powered by a Unisoc Spectrum 612 chipset, a 4G only processor with 4 GB or 6 GB of RAM and storage options up to 128 GB. A 5000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging support is anticipated. The main camera is rumored to be a 50 megapixel sensor. Other features include IP54 water resistance, range sensitive smart touch, Realme Lab high dependency certification, a programmable dynamic button, and support for air gestures. Estimated price is around 130 euros for international markets, approximately rupees 10,000 in India. The official launch date has not yet been confirmed by Realme. Elon Musk compensation and Fisker's financial struggles highlight contrasting fortunes in the EV industry. Tesla shareholders approved Musk's $56 billion pay package, making him the highest paid CEO in history. The approval took place at Tesla's Texas Gigafactory amid significant applause from shareholders. Fisker, aiming to be the Apple of EVs, faced several issues with its Ocean SUV, leading to recalls and legal challenges. The company filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy in Delaware, marking Fisker's second bankruptcy after his previous company failed. Meta has launched its Llama 3 powered AI chatbot in India after a successful testing phase. Meta AI chatbot is now available to all users in India across WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, and Facebook. The chatbot was initially tested during the general elections and rolled out to select users in April. The chatbot supports English and can assist with tasks such as suggesting recipes, planning workouts, writing emails, summarizing text, and more. On Instagram, it can suggest reels to watch, and on Facebook, it can provide information related to posts. Meta aims to leverage its massive user base in India, including 500 million WhatsApp users. The chatbot is accessible through the search bar in Meta's app and the meta.ai website. Spotify has introduced a new basic plan priced at $10.99 per month, dropping the audiobooks feature. The basic plan offers ad-free music listening for $10.99 per month, the same price as Apple Music and Tidal. It excludes the 15 monthly hours of audiobook listening available on the $11.99 premium individual tier. Last year, Spotify increased the premium plan price from $9.99 to $10.99 per month. The new basic plan caters to users who prefer a cheaper music-only option. Spotify offers a separate audiobook access tier for $9.99 per month, providing 15 hours of audiobook time with ads for music listening. At last, PhonePe's Indus Appstore aims to provide an alternative to Google Play Store. Targeting extensive user reach, Indus Appstore is in advanced talks with major smartphone manufacturers to pre-install its App Store on new devices. Partnerships with Nokia and Lava have already been established. Indus Appstore aims to reach 150 million users by the end of the year. The App Store has seen significant traction from Tier 2 cities, comprising 45% of its user base. The platform has onboarded popular apps such as Blinkit, Zapto, MakeMyTrip, Paytm, and several gaming companies including Dream11 and Ampere. Indus App Store boasts over 250,000 apps and has exceeded 2 million downloads to date. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news.